Each letter's a lesson from A to Z. In the world of money comes unique. C is for credit, it helps you buy, but use it for things that grow and fly. It's borrowing money for what you need, like a house or a car, helping you succeed. You borrow today, but you pay it back. Use credit to keep your future on track. C is for credit, building something new. You borrow for assets that work for you. Use it smart, use it right. Credit helps your future shine bright. Credit's like a promise, but there's more to see. Use it for things that grow steadily. If you're buying something that gains in worth, credit's the key to help it give birth. C is for credit, building something new. You borrow for assets that work for you. Use it smart, use it right. Credit helps your future shine bright. So remember, credit is there to use for things that grow and help you cruise. C is for credit for things that will grow, building assets, making your wealth show. C is for credit, it helps you buy, but use it for things that grow and fly. It's borrowing money for what you need, like a house or a car, helping you succeed. You borrow today, but you pay it back. Use credit to keep your future on track. C is for credit, building something new. You borrow for assets that work for you. Use it smart, use it right. Credit helps your future shine bright. Credit's like a promise, but there's more to see. Use it for things that grow steadily. Credit's the key to help it give birth. You're right. Credit helps your future shine bright.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Let's count and save, invest and grow. Financial literacy is the place to go. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, oh.